Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture will be on alternative ways to define a set. हमारे पास मतलब कि डिफरेंट ways हैं कि सेट को डिफाइन करने के लिए. So we will do this ना. और कुछ क्वेश्चन भी हैं वो भी हम करेंगे कि अगर हमारे पास सेट अगर फाइनाइट है तो इट विल बिकम इन अ लिस्ट वे. इफ पहले तो हेडिंग दे देते हैं. अल्टरनेटिव ways to define a set के डिफरेंट वेज हैं सम सेट को ना डिफाइन करने के लिए. इफ अगर हमारे पास इफ अ सेट इज फाइनाइट you can define it by listing its elements. For example, for example, P the set. In this set 1 4 1 4 9 16 and 25. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि in a set we have 5 elements. Okay, 1 4 9 16 or 25. So it's finite. We can define it by listing its elements. So it's some kind of a listing elements type. However, if a set is a finite infinite. Okay, first way तो अगर हम कहें तो ये है. Second way, if a set is infinite, okay, you cannot list all the elements. यहाँ पर हम इनफाइनाइट सेट वी विल हम यहाँ पे लिस्ट नहीं कर सकते. You cannot list all the elements. So you define it by giving the rule, by giving the rule used to form it. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे कि हम कोई रूल देंगे जो उसको डिफाइन करेगा. सो व्हाट्स दैट? लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, यहाँ पर अगर हम एग्जांपल एक ले लें, वी हैव अ सेट ए इज अ सेट जहाँ पर x, इसे हम सच दैट भी कहते हैं और वेयर भी कहते हैं. वेयर सच दैट, और मतलब कि वेयर x हमारे पास जो हो, x इज अ नेचुरल नंबर, कि हमारे पास x जो है वो नेचुरल नंबर है. गुड. एक और एग्जांपल भी ले लें आप. वी हैव अ सेट b कि ये ऑर्डर पेयर्स का सेट है जहाँ पे x कॉमा y such that यहाँ पर y is equals to 2x plus 1. सो जैसे ही हम x की वैल्यूज देते जाएंगे वी विल गेट सम y, है ना. सो इट विल गिव सम ऑर्डर पेयर. आई थिंक दैट नॉट शुड बी देयर एग्जांपल, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा आगे जाके हम जब पढ़ेंगे कि ये कोऑर्डिनेट्स वगैरह क्या होते हैं. सो यहाँ पर आप यही माइंड में रख लें कि व्हेन वी गिव सम वैल्यू टू x, so we will get some order pair. So these are order pair are infinite. Next example is set C x, where x is between 2 and 5. यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो x है वो 2 and 5 के बिटवीन में. सो जो भी इन दो एलिमेंट्स के मतलब दो मतलब नंबर्स के बीच में जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा, x हमारे पास रैशनल भी हो सकता है, इररेशनल भी हो सकता है. सो x हमारे पास जो होगा वो इनफाइनाइट होगा. मतलब कि अगर हम ये 2 और 5 के बिटवीन अगर हम देखें ना वैल्यूज, वो सम काइंड ऑफ इनफाइनाइट है. बहुत बहुत लेस इनफाइनाइट वैल्यूज हमें मिल जाएंगी इसमें ना. So let's go towards next example. We have find all the subset of P and QR. कुछ हम एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 2.6 है हमारे पास और उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है. एक्सरसाइज 2.6, find all the subset of P, Q और R. ठीक है. सो अगर आप देखें तो एलिमेंट्स कितने हैं यहाँ पर. ये अगर मैं सेट A कर दूं इसको, लेट सपोज, तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सेट A is equals to 3 and 2 power 3 will become total subsets of this. So मगर हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चन है फाइंड ऑल द सबसेट्स, कि हमें सब सबसेट चाहिए. सो वी विल फाइंड इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर हम पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे कौन सा सबसेट होगा इसका, नल सेट इज अ सबसेट. ठीक है. P is a subset. Q is a subset of these. Subset means कि it's the element which we have got the element from this set. हमने इसी सेट में से वो एलिमेंट या वो एलिमेंट्स लिए. R, P, Q, P, R. I think this is not good in writing, so we will do it. And Q, R. In the last we will get P, Q, R. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total there are 8 subsets of this set A. We will go to the next question. It's this is the question from some kind of a Venn diagram type question. We have done this previously, but we will make it. We want to strong our Venn diagram, so we will do question number 3. Let's do question number 3. Question 3. It's some kind of a Muna has 35 books. It's she's a student, some kind of she's a student and she has a 35 books in his electronic book reader. In her electronic book reader. some kind of a Kindle or other. 20 are crime stories. उनमें से जो 20 हैं बुक्स वो आर crime stories C, and 12 are books of short stories S, and 7 are books of crime short crime stories. It's she has the 35 books, and 20 are crime stories. C, we will represent it with the C, and 12 are books of short stories, and next seven are books of short crime stories. So it's some kind of a both crime stories में है वो मगर वो short stories. But the question, हमारे पास question क्या है? Copy and complete the Venn diagram to show the number of books of each type in Mona's e-reader, electronic reader. Question क्या है हमारे पास? A, copy and complete the Venn diagram. We have to complete the Venn diagram to show the number of books of each type in Mona's e-reader. We have to complete the Venn diagram. Let's see how we do it. First, we will draw it a Venn diagram. Let's do the solution. I I hope you have understand the question. So we have a Venn diagram, some kind of a rectangle. We have a universal set with epsilon type, and we have a two sets, C and S. Set C and set S. That's a C. That's S. So 7 are the books which are both crime but are short. So 7 are both. But we have a total crime stories book are 20. So we have to minus 20 minus 7. It will give us 13. 13 books are just of a crime stories only. And next we have short stories books are 12. We have a 12 short stories books. So we want the only short stories, no? There's not any crime story, no? So 12 minus 7, it will give us a 5. So just a 5. 5 are a short stories only. So if I fill the this kind of this and this, we're dealing with parts. Right? I think you are understanding. We're dealing with the parts. it's some kind of this part and this part and this part. We have three parts: one, two, and three. And last, it's a fourth part. The books which are not a crime or a crime or a short story, So total in this sets, we have a 13 plus 7 plus 5. So in last we will get 12. 12 plus 13, it will give us a 25. So we want here how much out of these crime and short stories out of these sets. So we have 35 minus 25, it will give us 10. So 10 stories books which are not short and a crime story, it's different, different types. I think it cleared. You got the concept of this, how we have written this. It's a part A. Next we will go part B. B is find number of books, because we have a books now. So that's why I'm saying books, or we will say in a journal it's an elements, number of elements in this set. C intersection S null set. How many books lies in this? When we say C intersection S with this sign prime, it's a complement. S complement. When we are saying S complement, it means we have to go out of the S. If I cover this, it's when I write this there, here, it's S. So when I'm saying S complement, uh, I'm talking about all of this set. So I think that's understandable. So we are out of the S set. हम क्या करेंगे, हम सेट S से बाहर चले जाएंगे. सिंपल इज दैट. आपको अगर मैं कहूं यहां पर अगर हम कहें तो दिस वी आर आउट ऑफ दिस सेट. अगर मैं आउट ऑफ दिस सेट हूं, सो आई लाई. अगर आई एम आउट ऑफ दिस सेट सेट S. इफ ओ यार, I'm out of this set S. This is a set S, and we are dealing with out of this. When we are dealing with out of this, so I am here in a blue. So I also lie in C. हम C में भी हम lie करते हैं, मगर अगर आप नोट करें, मगर वो इंटरसेक्शन वाली जो पार्ट है उसको स्किप करके. So skip this part where 7 is written, we have to skip it. So S means we are out of S. S complement means we are out of this set S complement. So C intersection S complement, we have the only 13 elements where we lie. इस दी पार्ट, ये अगर मैं अगर इस पार्ट को कहूँ लेट्स सपोज हमारे पास सी एक सेट है हमारे पास. इफ आई एम सेइंग दिस वी हैव अ यूनिवर्सल सेट. लेट्स सपोज 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have a set C. Here is a 1 2 3, and we have a set S. Let's see this set S. 1 2 and 6 sort of. Let's suppose it ना. So जैसे ही हम s को s कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेंगे, s का कॉम्प्लीमेंट अगर हमने लिया, सो वो एलिमेंट विथ वो एलिमेंट्स जो सेट s से बाहर हों मगर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू यूनिवर्सल सेट. अगर मैं कहूँ कि s कॉम्प्लीमेंट, सो इट्स सम काइंड ऑफ अ डिफरेंस विद द यूनिवर्सल सेट. सो हम इन जो सेट्स के हैं इनको स्किप कर लेंगे, 1, 2 और 6. वी विल स्किप इट. वी विल गेट जस्ट 3, 4, 5. It's S complement. So when C intersection S complement, we have a set 1, 2 and 3. It's a C set and complement with S complement 3, 4 and 5. In last we will get just 3. So you can easily say 3 is the element which lies only in set C. That's why when we are because it's out of the S complement. It's we are talking about the elements which are out of the S. No, so that's why it's in C. This part in a blue color part, no? But in it's not in that part, in the middle part. So I think it's understandable कि हम किस की ना बात कर रहे हैं. हम उसी की बात कर रहे हैं जो C के पार्ट में लाई करते हैं एलिमेंट्स ना. तो अगर हम जस्ट अब क्योंकि इसके साथ जब मैं इंटरसेक्शन लूंगा ना, सो इट विल गिव अस जस्ट सी सेट सीज एलिमेंट्स. दोज आर 13. हाँ, यहाँ पे एक और चीज भी कि एस कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मैं डिफरेंस किस तरह ले रहा हूँ. एस कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड वी आर गेटिंग डिफरेंस विथ यूनिवर्सल सेट. अगर मैं इसको यूं लिखूं, यूनिवर्सल सेट माय डिफरेंस विथ एस 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the difference with S, set S 1, 2, 6. 1 will cancel, 2 will cancel and 6 will cancel. So in last we will get 3, 4, 5. It's just S complement. So I think that's understandable. Further we will do some questions and it will become और भी अच्छा हो जाएगा ये. नेक्स्ट अगर मैं एक और पार्ट भी है हमारे पास, we have next part. It's some kind of a number of elements in S union S whole complement. Ha. That's really easy thing. Na? If you think this way, na? We have a two sets, C set and S set, C and S. C union S, it's I'm calling in a green. It's whole these. No? When I'm saying a complement, it's a blue. It's talking about this out of these sets. So we have seen just 10 elements lie there. वहां पे सिर्फ 10 एलिमेंट है. So यहाँ पर number of elements in this are 10 only. Or you can easily say that we are finding the number of elements where C union S do not count. Good. We will go towards next question. It's all about the practice. So I'm doing practice, I think so. uh, but I think these are needed. So that's why I'm doing. Question number 5. In a sport clud with a 30 uh, clud, or it's a club, I don't know. Magar it's a, there is written the clud with a 30, with 130 members. Uh, 130 members. I think it's a clud. So clud 50 play tennis, but not soccer. कि वो soccer नहीं खेलते. Just 50 play tennis, but not soccer. Well, I can say it's that we're just saying only tennis. The play who only tennis players who play only tennis. 40 play soccer, but not tennis. 15 play neither. ना ही वो सॉकर खेलते हैं, ना ही वो टेनिस खेलते हैं. Neither soccer nor tennis. Good. What's the question? Question is draw a Venn diagram to show this information. Why we are drawing the Venn diagram? Because it will give a simplicity. If you want to understand the sets, you have to draw a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram to show this information. Let's see how we will do it. First, we have to draw a big rectangle. No? Simple as that. We have a set, some kind of a set of a tennis players and soccer. T for tennis, S for soccer. So 40 plays just tennis. No? 50 no 50 plays just tennis. 40 plays just soccer. And if and 15 plays neither soccer nor tennis. So it's out of these sets. No? नहीं वो soccer करते हैं ना वो tennis करते हैं. So what's in this total? How you will do this? Na? You will, if you want this 130, I think there are the 30 members, 130 members, 130 130 members. So we have to minus 40 plus 40 plus 15. So what's in it? Let's do it. 130 minus how will become 105. So it will give us 25. So 25 players are कि न वो सॉकर both खेलते हैं वो ना, the players who play both tennis and soccer. So go towards next. We have a part B. Part B says find the number of members who play both tennis and soccer. So you have to find it. It's part B. It's question number 5, exercise 2.6. It's enough for this. So we will do some other problems. It will become on 3 set problem. So be ready for that.